If you're not using AI yet in your small business and you need leads, you're already behind. And here's what to do. Hi, I'm Max from Max Out Creative. Whether you're working with a modest budget or investing heavily, we find smart, creative ways to make every marketing dollar count. That's what we do. Today's video is about something that's no longer optional. AI and automation. Because here's the truth, AI isn't a shiny new toy anymore, it's the new table stakes. According to the Small Business Administration, 53% of small businesses are already using AI chatbots or virtual assistants to improve customer service. And research from CallRail shows that lead generation, content creation, and follow-up are the top 3 AI use cases right now, which we can handle for you. If you're not testing or using AI in your daily operations yet, you are already a step behind. Make no mistake. And why this matters, AI isn't replacing small business owners, it's replacing the old ways of doing business. Think about it. Your competitors are using AI to write better ads in half the time, respond to leads automatically within seconds, track calls and conversions more accurately, and follow up while you're asleep, right? And it's happening in real time. And customers are getting used to that kind of speed. The longer your business waits, the harder it will be to catch up. Not because of skill, but because of expectation. For lead generation, you can use AI tools to qualify leads from forms, websites, or chatbots right now. And if you're not doing that, okay, you're going to get lapped. You can also set triggers. When someone fills out a form, AI instantly replies with a warm message and books an appointment, a specific appointment time. Chatbots and text automations can handle frequently asked questions, hours, directions, scheduling. Don't try to AIify your whole business overnight. Start with the one area that takes the most of your time. If you lose track of follow-ups, automate your reminders. If your customer messages go unanswered, install a chatbot. We can do that for you, by the way. $500 setup fee, $18 per lead. It's that simple. That's the biggest one that I can see for small service-based businesses. Just that chatbot. Just the chatbot. So people don't feel like they're waiting on you to get around to calling them back. Businesses that rely on leads definitely need an AI chatbot at the least. We also offer a chatbot with real people, okay? So 24/7, a human being that we will train based on your criteria. AI can do a lot, but people still buy from people. I know that. The goal is to use AI to handle repetition, not relationships. You bring the personality, the empathy, the strategy. Let AI handle the typing, tracking, and timing. That's how you stay relevant without losing what makes you human. We can install a chatbot on your website. We can offer an AI chatbot or chatbot that has a live person on the other end 24/7, 365. That's up to you. Go to maxoutcreative.com and fill out a form if you'd like to see that chat. Thank you so much for watching this video. Both of you, I appreciate it.